My credit score was 650. I applied for the Chase Sapphire Reserve. Instant denial. 3 months later, I applied again. Approved. $30,000 limit. My score? 808. I didn't hire a credit repair company. I didn't pay $99 a month. I did 5 things that actually move your FICO score, and most people do them backwards. If your score is stuck between 600 and 720, this is for you. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy who wanted better travel cards. But I learned the FICO algorithm doesn't care about your income. It cares about timing. Most YouTube videos tell you, pay your bills on time. Thanks. That's step 0. I'm giving you the stuff that added 100 plus points in 90 days. Step 1. I stopped paying my cards on the due date. Sounds crazy, right? Here's why. FICO looks at your utilization on your statement closing date, not your due date. I had a $5,000 limit on my Capital One. I was using $1,500. That's 30%. I paid in full every month on the due date. My score stayed at 650. Then I paid it down to $50. That's 1%. 3 days before the statement closed. Not the due date, the statement date. Next month, plus 147 points. The 30% rule is a myth. Under 10% is good. Under 3% is perfect. I now pay all my cards down to $5 before the statement hits, then use them normally after. Check your statement date in your app. Set a calendar reminder 4 days before. Pay it to 1%. That's it. Step 2. I erased 2 late payments from 2023. I had a 30-day late on a store card and a 60-day late on a student loan. Both were legit. I forgot. They were killing me. I sent a goodwill adjustment letter. Not a dispute. A polite ask. Here's exactly what I wrote. Dear, I've been a customer since 2021 with perfect payment history, except for 2 mistakes in 2023 during a job transition. I've since set up auto pay and have 18 months clean. Would you consider a goodwill removal of those late marks as a one-time courtesy? Creditor. I sent it via the secure message center in my online account. Not email, not mail. Discover removed theirs in 6 days. Navient took 3 weeks. Both gone. That's plus 38 points. Late payments hurt for 7 years unless you ask. Most banks say yes once if you've been good since. Step 3. I became an authorized user on my mom's 14-year-old credit card. She added me to her Chase Freedom, $22,000 limit, opened in 2011, 0 late payments. I never got the card. I never spent $1. Her entire history copied to my report. My average age of accounts went from 2.3 years to 6.1 years overnight. Plus 41 points in 19 days. Rules. Pick someone with 10-plus years history, under 10% utilization, and no lates. Parent, spouse, sibling. They don't have to give you the card. Just add you, wait for it to report, then remove you if they want. The history stays. Don't pay for trade lines online. 90% are scams now. Use family. Step 4. I disputed 3 errors and won 2. 34% of Americans have a mistake on their credit report. I pulled all 3 bureaus free at annualcreditreport.com. I found a $87 medical collection that wasn't mine, a Capital One card listed twice, and a wrong address linking me to someone else in Texas. I disputed through the Experian app, literally 3 taps per item, no letters. The duplicate card and the collection were deleted in 22 days. The address stayed whatever. 29 points. Don't use Credit Karma to dispute. They sell your data. Go direct to Experian, Equifax, TransUnion. It's free and faster now. New 2026 rules require bureaus to respond in 21 days, not 30. Step 5. I added a $500 credit builder loan. FICO wants to see you handle different types of credit, cards and installment loans. I only had cards. That's 10% of your score. I opened a Self.Inc. loan, 25-month for 24 months. They hold the $500, you pay it back, they report it as an installment loan. At the end, you get your $500 back minus $9 fee. It reported after first payment. Plus 118 points. It's the cheapest way to fix credit mix. Don't finance a car you don't need. Total, $650 to $808 in 89 days. 5 moves. Total cost, $9. I applied for the Sapphire Reserve again. Approved. Then Amex Gold. Then Venture X. Your score is not a mystery. It's a game with rules. Pay before statement date, ask for goodwill, borrow history, clean errors, add a mix. Start with step 1 today. Check your statement dates. Do that for 30 days and you'll see movement. I put the goodwill letter template in the description. And if you want my exact travel card rankings after fixing my score, watch this video next.